everyone, this is Keisha with The Holistic Beauty, Luxurious Skincare and Botanicals. Welcome to my channel. Now, Luxurious Skincare and Botanicals, The Holistic Beauty, is a skincare and body care line, and we offer body butters, body wash, um, body scrubs, and bath salts. So, the purpose of this channel will be to educate you on skincare, formulations, how to formulate, how to generate a formulation for your product, all things skincare, what's happening in the industry, what's happening in the marketplace, and tips on natural skincare. So, welcome to my channel. Let's get started.